very weary.
Are you the only student in my class? I'm asking you a question and you are looking back.
It's true, they have not come, but they should be on their way.
Okay, they have refused to come, Abi. By this time, when my lecture also have started. No problem, no problem. It's because they don't know me. They don't know me, they don't know who I am. Because I didn't mean they know me, they will not miss my class. They will have known that my attendance carry 70 marks. And you miss one class, that's extra year. Even if the department beg me,
Yes.
in fact, if your governor beg me, or the rector of this school beg me, I will see them next year. That's how I do my things. I'm very strict with this kind of thing. I cannot wake up in the morning and come to the class and some people will not be serious. It's not making sense. This is simple common sense.
Damn. Oga, you know what? That one gun is okay. Give only me 70 marks, A+, and give all of them carry over. Fail them, because I don't know why they refuse to come to your class.
Tear a sheet of paper.
For attendance.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Number 1.
Attempt this question, and this question carries 5 marks.
We just pray.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Blood of Jesus.
Question you did it.
Jesus, my brain, my bro.
So, just attempt it for 15 minutes.
This is playing.
Oga, buy your refreshment where we're here. We have singum, we have mentor singum, we have kuli, we have tom, we have six-ball, we have everything that you are looking for.
What is going on here?
And also, 3-in-1 for Nescafe tea is here. Anything that you want to buy is here.
Are you not the student that sat down here?
30. Me, it's since that I'm selling, since tom, mentor singum, everything singum and this tea. And if you try and drink this tea last time, it go let you get sense. Later I know they give students test. Like of our class, you come to the class, it's test that I was saying.
And you must be very stupid. Get out of my class! I can't this your stupid chin or whatever you're saying and get out of my class. God save you. You are not one of the students in this school. I wonder if you are ever in your life going to graduate.
Look at my face.
What an insult.
You already know what you are going to give us as our continuous assignment.
Sorry.
So, Oga, you don't go see bye.
It is smoking, but
Buy your tea here.
I don't make sense. 2 more minutes remaining.